During a screen recording in OBS Studio or a live stream, do you want to appear on your webcam like this in a circle, or maybe you want to try this one or this one or this one or maybe this one? It's quite easy in OBS Studio, and I'll guide you step by step how you can achieve these kind of stylish webcam inside OBS Studio. So let's go and try. First of all, you need to go to Canva and start a new project. I'm gonna go create a new project here. We need to first of all make these templates. So I'm gonna choose 1920 by 1080. That's the resolution. Create a new design, or you can create a new presentation. Here, make sure that your background is all the way black. Now you need to go to elements, and here you have different shapes. Choose the shape you like. You want to be in that circle, then choose that circle. And if you want to be in this shape, just choose this shape. Any shape, there are so many, and you can also import any particular shape if you have any shapes. In my case, I'm gonna import this circle. Just drag this circle, make it a little bit bigger, and bring it to the center. Once it's in the center, go to the color again and choose white color for this circle. Now you're good to go. You can place any shape you like. Just go to share and download. Here, make sure you have chosen PNG instead of JPG, and now hit download. Once it's downloaded, go to your Finder wherever it is, and I have different shapes here. These are the shapes I already created, so you can create multiple different shapes in one go. You can do that. Now open OBS Studio. So first thing you need to do is to create a scene. These are different scenes here, and I'm gonna create a test scene here. Okay, now the scene is there. What you need to do, just go to plus icon, go to video capture device, and here you can choose your webcam, whatever webcam you're using. Hit OK, and now scroll down and choose the webcam. Oh, there's a messy room in the background, but it's okay. Now we are already on the webcam. What you need to do, just go to this test, right click and go to filter. Here is a different window. Go to plus again, and now choose image mask blend. Hit OK, and this place you don't need to do anything. Just browse and locate the shapes you recently saved. Let's say I want this circle. Alright, or maybe I can try another one. I want to try this triangle. It looks cool. Hit close, and you got a big face there. Now what we need to do, just drag these corners and fit it into the rectangle there. It's kind of stylish one. Alright, we have already created a stunning, beautiful webcam, and it's great looking. I want to integrate this one to different scenes. Here I have multiple scenes, right, center, left, iPad, and multiple different scenes. So how can I do that? Just click on any scene you want this webcam instead of this one. So by staying on the scene, go to plus icon, go to scene, and here choose the test one. This one we created right now. Hit OK, and boom. Now you can rescale this one to any place you like. It's too much. Yeah, you want it to be here. That's it. It's here. And it's cool looking. You can just delete this one if you have already multiple cameras there. So this is how you can easily get it. If you want to be in the center in this scene, just go to this plus icon, go to scene again, and choose the test one we just created. Hit OK, and you are here. You can drag it, rescale it, and use it as a stylish webcam. If you found this video valuable, then consider subscribing and liking this video. Write in the comments if there is anything. You can go to check my OBS Bible there. There are so many videos about OBS Studio. I'll see you there. Bye.